Right, we bought ourselves a new toy. We've been hankering for one of these. We managed to get it past management. So we bought ourselves a pressure washer, haven't we, George? Yeah. And we got it all set up. We've only just set it up. If you buy one of these, they're pretty straightforward to set up. The only thing you've got to do is you've got to put the water conditioner stuff in upside down there. And the nozzle for the thing was hidden in there. That confused me for a good half an hour. But George has got the nozzle. So we're going to give, before we put all this back together again, George is going to give it all a good pressure washing off. Obviously pressure washing, you've got electrics and there are concerns and that, and we've got it set on steam clean, so you don't want to do too much paint, George, because it's a bit ferocious for the paintwork, but more the engine bay and the plastics and that. So let's have a look. Go on up. There we go. So that's done a good job. We're quite happy with that. That's brought that up like new. It's a lot. We can put it all back together. It's a lot nicer when it's all clean, and we can see what's going on nice there without all the dirt and the mud. That's going to be a good job. George has done well. Right. So there we go. Just a little update, a little clean on the Freelander 2, and playing with our new pressure washer.